Hello and welcome to this episode of LBMC-Tech-Splains. Today we will be covering how to start a new customer journey without using a template. So after you've opened up the marketing app in Dynamics 365, clicked on Real-Time Journeys, and navigated to Journeys under Engagement, you'll click on New Journey. And then you will click Skip and Create from Blank. After you name your journey whatever you want to, you will select either a trigger-based journey or a segment-based journey. If you're using a trigger-based journey, you can open up the search bar and look through all of your triggers. However, if you're using a segment-based journey, you can follow the same process where you click on the search bar, or you can start typing in the name of your journey or your segment, and you'll start to see it populate. So after you've either selected your trigger or your segment, you can then come down and select the frequency. So the first one is a one-time journey with a static or set audience. The next is a one-time journey where newly added audience members can start at any time. So for example, let's say this has about 50 people in it, but I upload more people and they're going to go in that segment. Whenever those people are uploaded into the CRM, they'll be added to that segment and then added to the journey. Or you can set a repeating journey where all audience members will repeat the journey every number of days, weeks, or months. Once you've got that all set, you can select a start date and time, and it does have to be in the future. And if your journey needs it, you can also select an end date and an end time. Once you're all set, you'll click Create. So it'll start to show you the flow of your journey, where at the very top you have the journey start and the segment, or if you have selected a trigger-based journey, it will have the journey start and the trigger that would start that. After that, you can start to add in your actions and your functions. You can have emails, text messages, push notifications, or other channels if you use those. You can do some A/B testing or try to do some channel optimization. You can also set in conditions, like I want individuals to wait a certain amount of time. You can wait for a trigger. You can branch people based on attributes. You can also split the audience based on numbers or percentages. You can also add in activities like phone calls and tasks. And then you can also have some connectors which can start to activate custom triggers that either you or a developer can create. But after you have added in a couple of features and you're all set, what you'll first want to do is test your journey by sending it to yourself. You can create an internal testing segment with yourself or some other team members. And then once the journey has been tested and both the journey and all of the functions, whether they be emails, branching, waiting, anything else, once all of those have been tested to operate as they should, you will click Save and then you will click Publish. And once it's published on the date and time that you have specified in that early step to start, your journey will start and it'll start to run.